In this video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how I achieved these 2 buns with my natural hair. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, continue watching. If you are new here, my name is Shanae, and if you're not new here, welcome back. So jumping straight into this tutorial, as always, my hair today is already basically straightened, blow dried, all that good stuff. I decided I wanted to do a quick little hairstyle, so why not record it? So I did start off with a high part going around my head using the end of my tail comb and bringing it all the way around to the other side. It would be easier if you do have a mirror behind you to make sure that it is not slanted, but I did ask somebody if it was straight enough and they said yes. So I did go ahead and do that. That part was about 3 inches up from my ear, 2 to 3 inches. So that's how it looks. I put the top half away and I'm working with the bottom half first. So I did decide I wanted my sideburns out, so I took those out first before slicking down my hair. And then I combed the rest of my hair back into a ponytail. Once I did that, I used my hair tie, tied my ponytail, and today I decided I was going to use gel to slick down my hair. So I did find this eco styling gel. It has castor oil, I believe, in it. And I just spread that all over my ponytail at the back. And once I did that, I just used my tail comb and combed it through to make sure that it was nice and smooth. Once I finished combing through the hair, I went ahead and removed the hair tie and just tied it back, just so that I didn't have any lumps or anything like that around my hair tie. So you just want to comb through that when you take out the hair tie and just put it back in place. So once the bottom ponytail was nice and slicked, I moved to the top portion. So I did want to leave out some hairs at the side. So I went ahead and parted those hairs out first to use as my baby hairs. And they were long, so I did want to make sure that I put them into that back ponytail. So I did go ahead and part them out and made my swoops before I started with that top ponytail to make sure they were how I wanted them. So I just put the top portion away for a bit and I worked with these hairs first. So I did go in with this edge control to slick down my hair. Once I did these little baby hairs, I used the ends and put them into that back ponytail because the hair was super long. When that was done, because the hairs were long, I had to go and reapply my hair tie to that back ponytail just so that it wasn't left out. And then I started to work with the top ponytail. So the same thing I did to the back is basically the same thing I did to the top. I combed the ponytail where I wanted it to be, and then I attached it with my hair tie and used my gel to gel it down in place. So you know, every time when your hairstyle comes together, you're doing that little like, yeah, okay, we got this. So I decided I was going to use wrap it up strips to tie down my hair because we are using gel and my hair does sometimes revert kind of wavy when I put gel on it. So I used the wrap it up strips for a bit, but I did have to take them out when I was doing the buns. So you might want to use your blow dryer to dry it a bit. But I decided I wanted some blonde pieces in my bun. So I had some old pieces of hair. I just cut it into two, one for the bottom, one for the top. Took my Salon Pro glue, this is hair glue, and I actually glued this onto the band. If it does get on your hair, guys, you can use oil, any type of oil sheen, grease, anything like that, and it will slip out. The fan was blowing, by the way, so that's why you guys see it moving, but I just attached it to the ponytail holder, the hair tie, and that was it. I dried it in place and then did the same thing for that top part, for the top ponytail, sorry. Once that was done, I started to do my bun. So when I'm doing my top knot buns, I just like to twirl the hair around my finger and just wrap the bun around. I did want to leave some of my ends out to flip. So when I reached to a certain point, I just stopped twirling the bun and I just used an elastic band to just tie that bun in place so that my ends stay out. And I just did that same exact thing to this bottom ponytail. So as you can see, I'm just removing that hair tie because, the wrap it up strip because it was in my way. But I'm just doing the bun, twirling it around my finger and wrapping it around. And once I reach to the point where I'm leaving out the ends only, I just take a rubber band and tie that bun in place and leave the ends out. So now I'm just using my flat iron and I'm just going to curl over the ends that I left out. You want to just bump the ends just a little bit so it looks like it's flipped. So I did that to the bottom and I also did it to the top. Guys, I was on vacation. I needed the fan so bad, so I'm sorry that you see the hair going all over the place. Once I finished flipping the ends, I just went ahead and spread it out with my fingers. So you just kind of want to play with it a bit and see how you like it, because you can just make them go to the sides. You can have some going towards the back middle of the bun. It all just depends on your preference, to be honest. You can have a less hair out, no hair out. It's up to you. But I liked how this looked, so I left it alone. Next, I just went ahead and straightened out my sideburns, and that was basically it for this hairstyle. I went ahead and used some shine spray like always and sprayed that all over my hair, and that was it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this hairstyle. Let me know what you guys think of it down in the comments below. Let me also know any other hairstyles you guys would like to see me achieve. If you guys aren't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the post notification bell so you are notified every time I upload. Also, like this video and follow me on my other social media platforms at nate.simone. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.